Anybody here who feels that, I mean, there was this exercise in school, you know, that people feel notebook banao. So how was that? I mean, obviously you moved to college, so you must be knowing better that that was in a way what? I mean, anybody has that dilemma कि यार notebooks बनाना बहुत बड़ा problem है, नहीं होना
I
चाहिए.
don't think any of us made notebooks in 12th, to be honest.
I did.
I did.
And I wrote a lot. I have this big bunch of
I
notebooks
did.
because when it comes to like my subjects in
So
history,
there
we
are
have
two
8
different
markers.
things. I'll be specific here.
Yeah.
Making notes is different.
Huh.
But you know, sometimes the teachers tells you to just copy down the question.
No, no,
answer
that
and
is
done,
not
you
done.
know.
It's most stupidest thing.
Yeah, that is not at all helpful. Like,
Yeah.
But
no.
sometimes those who learn from writing and all.
Huh.
Yeah, so there are
Yeah.
kids who need that way or
Yeah.
help, but
I
it
don't
cannot
know
be a
if
smart
you
exercise.
generalize.
It should not be forced. Like if you want to, you
Yeah.
can. It should not be forced because already there is so much pressure. 12th है ये, then you need to hear and you need to just copy. अगर notes बनाने भी बोलते, so it's okay. But copying thing I don't like.
Brackets and write
Yeah.
from here and then from
Yeah.
here to here. And then
If it's already
I can
there,
read
why?
from here, yeah.
Yeah, so the new gen is not going to like always making
Yeah.
notebooks.
But I think if you're not making notebooks, a really important thing is that in the textbook, then you have to mark
Mark
those important points. You have to write the
Yeah.
questions beside those paragraphs.
But I also believe that writing practice is very important when it
Important,
comes to
obviously.
presentation.
Present.
So forced part I don't like, but everyone should, like in my line, everybody in my humanities field, because you need to write a lot. So your presentation should be clear because the examiner needs to see the important points. आपने भले पूरी कथा लिखी हो, but
Yeah.
so writing practice is very important.
And sometimes paper bag will shoot other.
हाँ, exactly, for speed as well.
And even the central idea of making notes is to bring the whole textbook into a more convenient way,
Yeah.
not just to copy paste it verbatim
So
the way it is.
shorts in today's
Exactly.
generation.